Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Garmin Forerunner 245. To begin, power on your device by holding the top left button for approximately 2 seconds. You'll navigate through all menus and options using the 5-button interface. The top right button starts and stops activities, while the bottom right acts as a back button. The 3 buttons on the left control scrolling and the backlight. This intuitive design makes accessing features straightforward and efficient. Once powered on, selecting an activity is simple. From the watch face, press the top right button to access your activity profiles, like run or bike. Before you start, you can customize your data screens to show up to 4 metrics simultaneously, such as current pace, total distance, and heart rate zones. You can also fine-tune activity settings, including GPS accuracy and various alerts, ensuring your watch is perfectly configured for your specific training needs. The Forerunner 245 offers robust performance tracking. It monitors crucial metrics like your VO2 max, providing insights into your cardiovascular fitness. You can also view your training status and recommended recovery time, helping you optimize your workouts. Furthermore, the watch supports adaptive training plans from Garmin Coach, guiding you towards your goals. With compatible accessories, you can even track advanced running dynamics, such as ground contact time balance, for a deeper analysis of your form. Beyond training, the Forerunner 245 is highly customizable. You can personalize your watch face with countless designs and data fields available through the Connect IQ store. Connectivity is seamless. Pair it with your smartphone for smart notifications, music controls, and automatic activity uploads to Garmin Connect. Remember to regularly clean your watch and install software updates to ensure optimal performance and longevity. This ensures your device remains a reliable training partner for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.